Hi, today I'm ready for OPPO Pad Air and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app and click enable in settings. So you will see here the green Apple keyboard switcher, tap on it, tap to activate and just go back. Here click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check the new keyboard. So we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.